Yo. Judging by the look of it, look like the same thing. I'm gonna do it and smell. Yo. It smells like Juici Patty, you know? It smells like Juici Patty. All the flake, you know, say on a patty if it now, the flake them pan it. Put it in a sandwich, I don't know anything go. Alright. Just to make it official. Yeah, no bag in but I use a bag here. Just to make it official, I put it right there so. Look at this here. The moment of truth. The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright. The leverage, yeah. Welcome. The leverage, yeah. Well, welcome back, Leverage Nation. You don't know, say. Your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. And today, from the scene in the description, yes, we at the Juici Beef location in Hollywood next to State Road 7 in Fort Lauderdale. I guess Juici Beef Jamaica Party. We're going to see what the hype is about. You don't know, they're right in the Walmart Plaza. Yeah, from Hollywood. Yeah, with the Ross and all them stuff there. But yeah, we go there and we're going to see where the party them the hype about, you know. Yo, right now we see a whole heap of people already. So I don't know how long it's going to take, but we're going to see it. I'm going to show you where it's going. So check out the place and look where I'm going. Look on the line. Yo, so Leverage Nation, you see the line long right now, but honestly it looks like it kind of moves still, you know. You see me? So we are going to wait in the line and see what's going on. Yeah man, that's a Leverage. So we're going to see if the hype worth it, if it tastes the same way or so, you know, get few. See, you know. Let's see though. We're going to wait in the line, you see it? So, Leverage Nation, watch it. See people them out me do right this thing there on the line. And them. And the line the back of me right this so. Yeah, you see it long. Where is your course?
Oh yeah, I'm factoring it right now.
Yeah. The factory's around here. Oh, it's
Baltimore, okay.
We import the spice.
Yes.
Hopefully, we're hoping that we're ready by April. We're waiting on P&L to do some more. And then after
You're going to open another one where?
in plantations. Plantations will work.
That's right. That's still my name. Plantation police or police?
now the plantation.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Leverage Nation, we're back in the car. And right now, like me that said, I don't know if you could hear me things I said before. But me I say, yeah, it was a good experience, man. I was in the line, you know. The people them was friendly, good customer service. Yeah, man. And it was clean. You don't know themselves. If you look on the menu, they had like fries. Fries where they come with a patty and a juice and a thing. But right now, I just got cocoa bread and some chicken patty. So, what thing do it in the car with when I go home? I think I do it in the car. So, yeah, that's a leverage, man. So, we check in and we give the taste test. And that is it for Juici Beef Patty in Hollywood. And I think they're going quick info, I think they're gonna have more location in South Florida. Like they're planning to make like at least five more location in Florida, so they're gonna expand and get more. And the one they said they had one in Lauderhill. Like in the next few weeks they're gonna open that one too. So they're gonna have multiple location in South Florida already. Yeah. From when they have this, I think like them said 2 to 3 weeks from when this open, they're gonna have another one. So that's a leverage. You see me? So next time you see me, taste test, cocoa bread and see if it tastes the same. Yeah, Leverage Nation. So I decide say yo, okay, I not wait till it cold, you know. Yeah, I not wait till it cold. I try it now. You know, fling on some sanitizer. I don't know, say I have sanitizer. So we'll give a quick review and see if it tastes. Yeah, so the bag here. Yeah. So we now can see cocoa bread there. Whoa, nice and hot and fresh. Let me see. Only top 4 now. Yo. It smells just like cocoa bread at Jamaica, you know. Nah lie, no people. Leverage Nation, me nah lie. I spread him out and I can't toast it because yeah, put him on the bag, you know. Bag here. Chicken. Yeah. Whoa. Judging by the look of it, look like the same thing. I'm gonna do it and smell. Yo. Yo. It smells like Juici Patty, you know? It smells like Juici Patty. All the flake, you know, say on a patty if it now, the flake, them pan it. Put it in a sandwich, I don't know anything go. Alright. Just to make it official. Me and a bag in but I use a bag here. Just to make it official, I put it right here so. Look at this here. The moment of truth. Yo, Leverage Nation. I don't know how some people say in a taste the same, but to me, it'll give the same, or if not the same, it's very close enough. It's basically the same thing to me. It tastes good. Juici Beef did it right. I'm not telling a lie. Yo. Fried chicken, it's bad. It's good. It's good. So, this is it. Good. So, that is it, Leverage Nation. The patty, it worked the weight because it tastes just the same. So, me give this a 10 out of 10 for the patty. Thumbs up. You see me? So, next time, check in next time. This is a Tastes Food Review in Hollywood. So, you don't know the leverage. You know the leverage. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. You see, the patty make me all get hot. Nice and hot. It tastes the same. It tastes the same. Are very close. Just trust me. You know what I say, that I leverage. You know what I say when I lie about the thing. You see me? So it tastes good. So good. Delicious. You see me? Delicious chicken patty. I wanna go. I found a location and go try it out. No. Tastes like just like the one in Jamaica. Nah lie. Yeah. So until next time, peeps, data leverage.